Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Good morning to you. If you're watching this in the morning, afternoon, night, well, it's morning right now. Hope you guys are doing good. So today is Thursday and I'm literally just about leaving the house. Oh, by the way, oof, this my top is from Thrifts Cheek on Instagram. I worked with them recently on Instagram. If you missed it, go and check it out. Okay, go and check it out. But I really love their pieces. I think I've done like a little bit of a review sometime in one or two of my last vlogs. But anyway, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to get my hair done because this weekend is going to be kind of an eventful weekend. Okay, a lot has been going on. A lot has been going on. I even took a very quick trip, by the way. I took a very quick trip to Enugu, a work trip, but I didn't do much, to be honest. The thing I went for was on Sunday, and then Monday was the sit at home thing in the east, so there was no movement, and then Tuesday morning I was back to Abuja. So I didn't really do anything in Enugu. In case you guys want to invite me to Enugu for work or for anything, I am so down. I'm so open for that. Because I hadn't been there since my university days and it was so nostalgic being there again. So yeah, I didn't get to do anything, so don't expect an Enugu vlog because there's no vlog. I didn't vlog anything, to be honest. Those who knew will probably have seen it on my Insta stories or something very briefly. But yeah, it was a very brief trip. But yeah, that's that about that. Anyway, today I want to go and get my hair done. This weekend is going to be a very eventful weekend. Tomorrow being Friday, I have an event, a fashion event tomorrow evening. On Saturday is my mom's birthday, even though I'm not sure exactly what we are doing for her birthday just yet. And then on Sunday is I have a surprise birthday thing that I was invited for on Sunday as well. So it's quite an eventful weekend coming up, and I need to get my hair on point because my hair is looking hella crazy right now. Okay, it's looking hella crazy. And of course, how else do I want to get my hair done? How else do I want to get my hair done other than anyway, yes, I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going to be using this Lush hair Royale collection. This is the Kinky Royale in the color 27. I have 2 packs here. I don't think for what I want to do I actually need the 2 packs, to be honest. My initial plan for this extensions was to make it into a wig. That was the original thing I wanted to do, but for some reason I have been craving ponytails. Like I haven't done a ponytail in so long because I cut my hair, and to be honest, I don't even know if this my hair can still do ponytail now because my hair is still short and stuff. But when we get to the salon, we'll know if it's possible. So yeah, this is the Royale collection, the Kinky Royale in color 27. Ooh, that's Yemi Alade. Okay, so I think they used it to also do this style at the back and this one, but I just want like a basic ponytail. Ooh, this color, you guys, I used to be a color 27 girl, like right from my university days. I would always tilt towards like blonde colors like this. So this is it, and oh gosh guys, it is soft. It is very soft. Okay, you guys know the deal when it comes to Lush hair. Soft and shiny, tangle free, durable, very lightweight, long lasting. You guys know the drill. When it comes to their extensions, I am obsessed. I am in love. And to be honest, this is actually going to be my very first time trying something like this. I have done their dreadlocks, I have used their wild braids so many times, but it is going to be my first time trying out like actual, you know, hair like this. So I am thinking of doing a ponytail, but I don't know if I think one will be enough because this one has like 3 bundles in it. So I'm thinking one will be enough. I will take the 2 packs just in case, but I don't think I'll be using more than 1 pack for this hairstyle. Let's go get our hair laid. Okay, by the way, my skin my skin is popping today. What's going on? Anyway guys, let's go.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone up. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast, before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head, I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. So this is a day after I got my hair done. I got my hair done yesterday, and you guys know, as with me, every time I get my hair done, I have to come and speak to you guys about it a day after, when I put on makeup and you can see the hair in all its beauty and all its finesse. But yeah guys, anyway, this is the hair. Once again, I used the Lush hair kinky royale collection for this in number 27. So I just did like a regular ponytail, or what many of you will refer to as packing gel. I think many people refer to it as that. I don't know why, but yeah, I just did like a ponytail thing. And yeah guys, this is it. I absolutely love this hair. Let me try and move my camera back so you guys would see, or no, let me stand so you guys would see where the hair gets to. Right, it's like really long. Well, technically it wouldn't have been this long, but the way my stylist fixed it, like he fixed it like he wrapped the hair around another little braided pony thing inside, just so that it is really long like this and all that. And I really love it. I really love it. Soft, you guys can see, super soft, very shiny. I've not applied one product on this thing since yesterday and it still looks this good. I laid my edges again today and I love it. These things, like, it's crazy, I keep saying this thing over and over again. Lush hair is super duper affordable. Like, it's such an affordable brand, and I didn't even use up to 2 packs. I think I used a whole 1 pack and then a little bit of one of the bundles in the second pack. That was basically it. I didn't have to use so much. I thoroughly enjoy brushing this because it's so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. And this color, you guys know me, you know me already. If there's nobody in this world that this color will fit, it's me, it fits. I said it. But anyway guys, I absolutely love this. Check them out. Okay, I will leave exactly the name again on the screen, just in case you are interested, all right, of copying this for yourself. I can't stop touching the hair. Anyway, if you're wondering why I'm fully decked up and fully dressed like this, I have an event this evening. I think I mentioned this in the last clip or so. I do have an event this evening, okay? The Hamden London exclusive viewing of their new fashion collection is this evening, and I'll be going there today. And my outfits, guys, this outfit, I'm loving this outfit so much. Let me show you guys exactly what my outfit is looking like. All right guys, so this is what my outfit is looking like. I think I've shown you guys this outfit when I unboxed it some vlogs ago or so. But this is a matching blouse and skirt from a brand called Imatiti Fashion. She sent me this recently. When I was thinking about what I wanted to wear for this fashion event, this was the only thing that came to my mind. And the fit on me is just ridiculous. Like, I love the fit on me so much. If you guys don't know, I hardly wear sleeveless stuff. You guys would have noticed that already, because I'm just super conscious of my arms. But with this particular outfit, I'm like, you know what, I don't send, I'm wearing it, and I'm going to rock it, okay? And I absolutely love it. Like, guys, okay, who is this person? Who is this person? I love it. 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 I love the color. I love the fit. I love the style. Like normally it's not even something I would buy, but yeah, I absolutely love this outfit. I love the color of my skin tone. I love the fit. I love everything about it. It's so nice. And I'm wearing it with this gold sandals. You guys would have seen this also in like some vlogs ago. I recently got this from a shoe shop. Never worn this yet. It'll be my first time wearing this today. I just feel like these would go really well with this outfit. And as usual, you guys will definitely see a picture on my Instagram or something, maybe like long before this vlog has already gone up. But yeah, that's my makeup today. I just wanted to play with purple for some reason. I was craving purple, so I wanted to play with purple on my eyes. Pink lips, good to go. I'm wearing very minimal jewelry. I'm wearing these earrings from Mina Stones, right? It's from their new Arewa collection. And of course you guys will come along with me as always, because you guys know that we don't go out alone. I go out with you guys most times. You guys know how we do.
Oh baby, baby.
Hi Lola of Abuja. Hi Tengu. Ah, Tengu, this is your outfit today. This is your look today. You're not lying. Hi. Yeah, I am. Hi.
Monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder, strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you. Hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Oh baby, baby, I don't know what to say. Every beginning's
Obviously your boobs grow and your clothes don't fit right because you know everything is just, I don't know, out of feel around breastfeeding. They feel and you don't look so great, trust me. Oh my god, the stomach is like it's every organ on its own, especially when you think of where you're coming from. Then you run into people from like high school, they're like, oh my god, you added too much. The last time I saw you like 1928 ago. I'm not going to remain the same, but at the same time, I'm not going to get people's. Yeah, so that's
you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder, eh? Don't you look at me like that. Look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey, don't you look at me like that.
Hi. Thank you. You're welcome.
Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door.
But I find you. A fine babe. A babe and more. Ronnie just there giving face. Hey, now wow. Guys, just came out of the stuff. It was so nice. I won best dress, by the way. Your girl won best dress. We didn't come to play, and I won like a free night stay at this hotel, which I'm even going to do a staycation very soon. Anyway, don't worry, you guys will see all about that. I'm tired. I want to just go home now, take off my makeup and sleep. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, most likely.
At the door like that, you're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss